Hi guys and gals, welcome to Canadian Immigration Channel. This video is about a few updates with respect to IRCC processing, how IRCC is working, sort of, an internal information from IRCC with respect to absolutely different programs, absolutely different processing all over the world, so that for you to get an idea where it stands and how it actually goes. Before we proceed further, quick reminder, if you would like us to assess your chances for successful immigration to Canada, click on the link below cactv.ca/go and one of our experts will be in direct touch with you looking at your chances for successful relocation to Canada. Now, going forward, there's a whole list of questions asked by Law Society members to representatives of Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada, and I would go through the most interesting ones, and certainly there will be more of those questions asked and answered, and we will be returning back to such videos so that to keep you updated. First and foremost, for those of you who are asking us on the channel about oath of citizenship and citizenship processing, what IRCC is planning to do with it. As of now, there is no plan to return back to normal oath of citizenship, the offline one. There is no plan to resume it in person, so IRCC is rather looking at the digitization, if you will, of the whole process, how to do it digitally so that people would not have to gather up. Next thing is about pending citizenship applications. Well, in fact, IRCC has confirmed that these applications are being processed slowly due to the COVID-19, and of course, officers are looking forward to return back to work, but that does not happen overnight. Processing times, that's the matter of concern for everybody, and members of Law Society were asking IRCC whether or not their website is actually, IRCC website of course is actually reflecting information carefully, and the honest answer here is no. The information provided on IRCC website is not accurate about the processing time as of now, simply because it does not reflect the situation with COVID-19, and I guess, well, it's a fair question and answer. Who would predict how the situation would evolve in the future? Now, here's an interesting numbers just for you to understand where we're standing with respect to reopening and how IRCC is working. About only 2 or 3% of officers as of now are working from the office, and that's the number globally, that's the number worldwide. So about 2 to 3% of officers worldwide are working in offices. Most of them are working from home, and up to 30% of officers are not working completely due to personal reasons, due to technical constraints, due to being sick, and so on. So about 30% are out. 70%, I would say 67-68% are working from home, and the rest, only 2-3%, are working from offices. Well, these numbers are a bit depressing, if you will, but considering that IRCC put in more and more practices into work on how to proceed with files online, well, it gives us some light of hope, if you will, so that we will be able to resume back to more or less normal processing times for immigration and temporary visa applications. Now, here's the last question, but I still believe it's very interesting. For those of students who were not able to meet 1 year of work experience because of COVID, because they were stuck overseas, unfortunately, the answer from IRCC is that there are no policies in place, and technically there is no even discussion or contemplation on it. So practically speaking, those who were not able to complete 1 year of postgraduate work permit because of COVID-19 are sort of out of luck, and unfortunately, no, there will be no special provisions in place, or at least no planned provisions to help these people. If you would like to discuss your personal case, your situation, what to do if you're stuck in Canada or outside, feel free to drop us a line. We'll be glad to help you out. Stay tuned and stay healthy.